Yep, I love cats. Oh, you see a clue where? There is a clue right here on this sound. A barking sound. Ooh. You know what we need? Our handy dandy notebook. Right. So, a barking sound. Well, we can't really draw this sound, but maybe we can draw some curved lines to help us remember this sound. So, trying to figure out what animal Lila wants to get. Our first clue was black and white. Right. Now our second clue is a sound. So what animal could Lila want to get with black and white and the sound? I think we need to find our last clue just to be sure. The mail's here. Awesome. Here's the mail that never fails. It makes me want to when it comes. I want to mail.